How to fix error loading media on Messenger in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your settings. In settings, here you can see the option general. Now click on general and then click on iPhone storage. After clicking on iPhone storage, then scroll down and click on Messenger. Now here you can offload your Messenger. After offload your Messenger, then reinstall it. After that, your problem will be fixed. The another solution is go back to your home screen and press and hold on Messenger and then click on remove app and then click on delete app. After delete your app, then reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.